I'm Sanjana of class 10. Today is a National Science Day. First of all, I wish you a happy National Science Day. I'm here to explain about the heart. The heart is a clear in shape. The heart is covered with the pericardial membranes, and the fluid present between pericardial membranes is called pericardial fluid. And the heart has 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are called auricles. The lower 2 chambers are called ventricles. The right auricle and right ventricle is separated by the tricuspid valve, and the left auricle and left ventricle is separated by bicuspid valve. And the deoxygenated blood from superior vena cava and inferior vena cava enters into the right atrium, and due to the force of the blood, it enters into the right ventricle, and due to the pressure, it goes into the lungs through the pulmonary artery. For the oxygenated blood from the lungs enters into the left atrium, and due to the force of the blood, it enters into the left ventricle through the bicuspid valve, and from the left ventricle due to the pressure of the National Science Day goes as a and the air is oxygenated.
First of all, I wish all a happy National Science Day. I am Pranami of class 10. I am here to explain about our human digestive system. Human digestive system is also known as alimentary canal organ. A human digestive system is very complex in nature. Different parts are involved and perform different functions by using various digestive juices and enzymes. The alimentary canal is a long tube extending from mouth to the anus. Mouth. The food is crunched by teeth. There are 3 pairs of salivary glands. Due to the reaction of salivary glands, the food turns into bolus. Some amount of carbohydrates will be digested in the mouth. Esophagus. Then due to peristaltic movements, the bolus reaches the stomach. Stomach, a bag-like structure with elasticity. Bolus is cranked by circular, longitudinal, muscular movements. It is called chyme. Chyme is mixed with acids. Gastric juice is secreted by the stomach wall. Small intestine. The longest part in the alimentary canal is the small intestine. Its proximal parts are called duodenum. It is the site for further digestion of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. It receives the secretion of liver and pancreas. These juices render the internal conditions of the intestine gradually to a basic or alkaline one. Fats are digested by converting them into flat nodules like forms by the help of the bile juice secreted by the liver. This process is called emulsification. Pancreatic juice is secreted by the pancreas, contains enzymes like trypsin for carrying on the purpose of digestion of proteins and lipids for fats. Large intestine. The unabsorbed materials turns into waste. Anus. The smelly yellowish fecal mass formed will be expelled through this anus. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am excited to present my model that illustrates the use of both solar and wind energy to power 2 different applications. The house in my model is connected to a solar panel which converts light energy to electrical energy. This energy is used to light up the LED bulbs inside the house. In contrast, the street lighting system in my model is connected to a wind turbine. As the fan rotates, it generates electrical energy which is used to light up the street lights, highlighting the use of wind power for public lighting applications. My model illustrates the possibilities of using different renewable energy sources to meet various energy needs. By combining solar and wind energy, we can reduce our reliance on non-renewable energy sources for a more sustainable future. Thank you.
Hello, good morning to one and all. This is Sri Rakshita of class 9 here with the working model of respiratory system. Firstly, I wish you all a very happy National Science Day. Air passes through nostril. Nostril cavity where the tiny dust particles are removed and the temperature is brought closer to that of the body cells. Then the air passes through pharynx and larynx. Pharynx contains a flat-like structure called epiglottis. The flat-like structure controls the movements of food and air to respective passages. The larynx contains vocal cords. When these air hits the vocal cords, it causes to vibrate and produce sound. Windpipe channel trachea divides it into 2 equal parts of bronchiole leading to Krishna. This bronchiole is further divided into smaller and smallest parts of bronchiole. Every part of bronchiole is covered with some billions of alveoli. This is the microscopic view of alveoli. Work of alveoli with dead capillaries. Alveoli is covered with capillaries and the capillaries are surrounded by red dead corpuscles. Here the diffusion takes place between red dead corpuscles and alveoli. Oxygen is taken by alveoli. Oxygen is taken by red blood corpuscles and the carbon dioxide by alveoli. Here the oxygen reacts with hemoglobin and forms oxyhemoglobin. This oxyhemoglobin is sent to every cell in our body. Then this oxygen-filled hemoglobin reacts with glucose present in the mitochondria and produces glucose plus heat. This process is called endothermic process. This mitochondria stores this energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate molecules. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Ananya of class 6. First of all, I wish you happy National Science Day. My topic is steps in agriculture field. The first step is preparing the soil. Roughing and sanding the soil is to be done to germinate the seeds properly, and for uniform supply of water is called preparing the soil. The second step is sowing the seeds. Selection and sowing the seeds is an important step in agriculture. The third step is applying manure. Manure is a food for plants. There are two types of manure, natural manure and artificial manure. The fourth step is precipitate water. Water is an important role in agriculture field. Drip irrigation is modern technique in agriculture field. The fifth step is feeding. There are many types of control in feeding. The sixth step is crop harvesting. The seventh step is storage. Thank you.
My name is Balaji. First of all, I want to wish you a happy National Science Day. Here I am here to say about indicator agriculture. These are the crops in indicator agriculture. Cabbage, corn, cover, and corn and clover. Then we can see that the cotton is good, cowshed, etc. The animal waste is used as a nutrient for the crops. And they get money by selling this crop. They use money for the farming. And biogas, plant and solar energy. Direct farming system is a sustainable agriculture system that we need to combine cotton collection in this way to reduce the need for also input. We have to improve soil quality, improve productivity, and reduce the abuse of intensive farming. Here the farming system is a sustainable that indicates livestock, production, fisheries, capitalism, plants and crops, and other systems that link to each other. Improve soil quality, indicate agriculture, we have to improve soil quality and reduce the crop pests and diseases. Increase productivity, indicate agriculture, and help increase productivity for unit area. Reduce general measures that indicate agriculture and reduce the health purpose of industrial habits and preserve the environment. Improve profitability, indicate agriculture, and help improve profitability. Thank you.
Happy National Science Day. I am Sriveshwari of class 7 with the model of parts of flower. Parts of flower contains four floral parts. They are calyx, color, and mention. Calyx is the sepals of the plant. It is present at the edge of the flower. Corolla is the petals of the flower. It is the most attractive part of the flower. Androgen is the main filament of the flower. It contains stamens of filament and the contains pollen grains. Garnation is the female part of the flower. It contains stigma, style, ovary. When the insects suck the nectar from the main flowers of pollen grains stick to the leaves of the flower insect, and the same insect when suck the nectar from female flower, the pollen grains fell to the stigma, and the ovules and pollen grains create the fruit. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. I am Niteshna of class 7. First of all, I wish you all a very happy National Science Day. I am here to explain you about parallel connection and series connection. First, let us compare them and check what are the similarities and the differences. We
We can see that both of them contain a battery, positive negative wires, main on off switch and LED bulbs. The differences are the circuit of parallel connection and series connection are different. Now I will on them and show you how it works. As you can see, the voltage supplied to every bulb in parallel connection is the same, but it is not in the case of